Okay, this is issue 88 of Lee's Action Figure News and Toy Review from about February 2000. I would have just turned 30 then. So, great magazine. This was imported into the UK by Forbidden Planet. US price was $6. UK you could get it for about a fiver. So, great magazine, you know, all the ads from the day, Simpsons figures, Misfits toys. Good feature on the Transformers there. Transformers, something I wasn't really into. I think it was just a bit after my time, really. I got into Commodore 64 games then, so, you know. I know a lot of people love Transformers. Some ads there for toys, action figure news, letters. You could send in letters, toys, and ads for new figures coming up. Quite sunny today. It's a great ad for Ultimate Soldier. Pretty cool stuff there. Toy news, Spawn ad there. Misfits toys. A lady demon. She looks like Darth Talon now. Let me show you. Pretty cool. So yeah, great figures there. I'm writing to you with a question in what I regard what I consider crown jewel of my Star Wars action figure collection, along with all the ships, play sets, figures, posters and other memorabilia I have collected and saved over the years. I managed to save a piece of paper that came with a mail order Admiral Akbar action figure. The paper is roughly 4 by 5 inches tall, see photocopy. My question is, how many of these Revenge papers were actually circulated before they were changed, and what do you think of their value? That's going to be, to our knowledge, the Revenge insert you talk about is one of the only ones that ever circulated with Admiral Akbar figure. There was many as those, blah 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 blah. Kenner never went back and changed the copy on the insert. There's the value, $10 to $20. That's in 2000. You've got loads of ads for figures, Simpsons. So originally the Simpsons were done by Mattel, but these are who did these ones? Playmates, yeah, Playmates. Playmates Simpsons figures. And you've got Secret Wars, feature on Secret Wars. Look at all of those beautiful figures there. So the magazine's a real mixed bag. You get features, you get tons of ads. But I mean, the ads are in a way such a great resource for looking at what prices were back in the day, and you know what the prices were 20 odd years ago. Buffy, so there's some good Buffy figures there. More ads. C3PO, that's the electronic figure. Pretty cool. Hasbro 2000 Toy Fairs, you know. Now we get all our action figure news from YouTube or from Yak Face or, you know, all that sort of stuff. More ads. 12-inch Mace Windu. Qui-Gon, Battle Droid or RM9. TC-14. Oh my. Sci-Fi Expo. Plano Center, Plano, Texas. Sideshow toy. Pretty cool. More ads. 7th Annual Toy Award. $19.99 Golden Toy Awards. Best Line, Star Wars Episode 1 Action Collection, Hasbro Direct. Best Assortment, Movie Maniacs, McFarlane. Best Figure, Jerry Only, Misfits 21st Century Toy. Best Line, Toy Story 2. Best Figure, Vampiric Angel, Buffy the Vampire Slayer. Best Electronic Toy, Star Wars Episode 1 Figure Banks. Best 164, Hot Wheels Treasure Hunts, Mattel. So yeah, pretty cool. I mean, it's good. It's a slice of history if you're into action figures and the whole collecting hobby. Brian's Toys buying lists. Brian's Toys massive adverts. More ads. Then you've got the Lee's Hot Wheels section. DMV. Let's get through this quickly. Playing Mantis, Hot Wheels, Redline, all that sort of stuff. Price guides for all the Hot Wheels. Takes up a lot of the magazine, really. Then we're going to come on to the Lee's price guide. So they've got a showcase, G.I. Joe, Destro, I guess. Then you've got some old figures there, Super Gals. Then you've got the new Power of the Force. Several increases were logged on the Power of the Force line this month. This is February 2000. Boba Fett with no emblem on his chest hit 600, while the transition tray Luke reached $700. The US version of Leah Bosch on the Collection 1 card finished at $250, and the Jar with Gonk Droid with only one hole in the foot reached $60. Other increases include the following: R2D2 with Imperial Slide, so a spelling mistake, $250, Muftak and Cabe up 30, ST Walker up 50, and the Radio Controlled Speeder Bike up to 50, and the X-Wing Fighter in Green Book. So Action Figure Grader might be interested in that. Bit of news there. Star Wars Action Collection, these are the 12-inch. Snowtrooper Blue Highlights 200. Star Wars Episode 1 Tatooine, Darth Maul with Black Vest has established itself as one of the most highly sought after Episode 1 variants. It's averaging 400 on the secondary market. Raiders of the Lost Ark Marion Ravenwood averages 395, making it the most valuable piece in this classic line. There's some G.I. Joe, Captain Action Ideal, Clash of the Titans, the Kraken, the largest and rarest piece in the Clash of the Titans. It's an average of 250. June, the Sandworm from the classic June, 75. Voltron, WWF, Batman. So really useful price guide. Great. I've shown you this before in a previous review. Star Wars covers everything. You've got Batman, you've got tons of Batman, you've got G.I. Joe, you've got Robocop, Noble Knights, Mask, Jurassic Park, I Dream of Genie, Power Lords, Rambo, starting lineups, or starting line, what are they called, Kenner, Transformers. They're really great. All the wrestling figures, and more ads, classifieds, back issues, and the mag you can get. Such a great magazine. Okay, so the AH6 Little Bird, the Ultimate Soldier. So that's issue 88 of Lee's Action Figure News and Toy Review. Great magazine, great times. Alright, hope you liked looking at that. Cheers, goodbye.